News Update.
Isang mapagpalang linggo sa inyo lahat.
Narito po muli ang news and update.
Dito sa ating iglesia.
Ako po si BJ Ranji.
Ako po si BJ Mikey. At ito ang Legacy City News Update.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you. 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our Workers' Fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan.
Dati po, nagalap ang ating evangelistic concert na pinamagkatang.
Praise God sa successful na event na to at sa mga presentations.
First time sa history ng Legacy City.
Na mas maraming umaten na first-timer sa ating iglesia. Welcome to the family of God! Last Wednesday, November 30, 2011,
Ay nagkaroon ng fellowship ang Parakti sa Nagasca resident.
abangan ang pag-graduate
Sa mga music students,
this December. Sa mga may birthday this December, maligayang pari! December na, at ang topic natin for this month is about giving. 20 days to go before candlelight service
at Thanksgiving service.
at ito ay pinamagtang the red carpet. And this December 24 na yan, give and it will be given to you.
Good measure, pressed down,
Shaking together and running in over.
will be poured to your lap.
Luke 6:38.
See you next week
for another exciting edition of Legacy City News Update.
Shalom!
LCFC News Update.